What's up, everybody? Today we are going to be remaking I Betrayed My Team in Bad Boys, and this time I'm not just getting salty. I'm getting extra salty. And I'm also on my good friend Black Bush. Stop. Dude, I'm trying to record. Buddy, I'm a YouTuber. Stop. Okay. So there's a possum pumpkin, a ghastly frog, okay, baby golem, type of by, no, just, so yeah, okay, I'm not going to a marketplace, so we of course have to go Bed Wars first, my favorite game. Let's do chaos mode, because I'm getting extra salty. So, you know how I got stranded on the island on the last one? I'm not going to do it this time. Yeah, I won't. Oh, somebody trade the game. I'm gonna run up here and say I'm the king. No! Hey, buddy. I'm a YouTuber, come on. Lemon Rock, let's focus on Lemon Rock. So Lemon Rock. Hopefully he's gonna be on my team. So we're still waiting for players. Let's put it on the map. So let's see. We're just gonna do this. Oh, I voted for the end. I can see it from the side. Hey, oh wait, Woven Sloth. Oh my goodness, why are so many people doing that? Wow. Oh wait, I don't even have my heads on. So, oh my goodness. Whoa, was this what you're hearing? I'm so sorry if you're hearing that music. Okay, I thought you were. If you heard that music, I'm so sorry. So let's just turn off all the sound. Oh yeah, I'm gonna plug out my Roomba headphones, of course. How many people just joined? I can't see. So I'm still here. I'm using the camera. There you go. These headphones are the most coolest thing, I have to admit. And also I have my Roomba controller. You see it? And my own controller. I love my own controller. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over here. I need to run. Run from the coppers. No, come on. No. Hey guys, get out of here, get out of here. Oh, I'm an orange team, just like my controller. What's up? Brick. Wait, just like it was last time, but I'm in pizza. 3, 4, 5, 6. That was not 6. Somebody already fell out of the world. So I know I'm posting in summer, and everybody does. So I'm just gonna emote on somebody. Everybody, yeah, you. Now look at me. Can they see my emote? Yeah, do it. I'm not sure if they see my emotes, but I don't really care if they don't or do. So let me just, oh, my cat. Here we go. Here he is. Say hi, I'm Cheese. Yes, you are. His name is Cheesington Wifferton. Cheddarton. Don't fall. He did not fall. Okay, let me just, I know I have a big marker. Not a lot of people do. Oh. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Buddy, we are trying to work together around here. Okay, well, I guess I'm going to be making my own little thing. Yeah, you better fall. He fell. He fell. Okay. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No! Don't tell me. 1. Okay, I'm gonna try it. No! 1! What of it? No! Oh wait, I also have to betray my team. Betray my team too. Okay. Ow! So somebody's already trying to betray me. And you wanna hear what I do after that? I say, Blindensteel. Looking at the camera straight into it. Okay, I remember it was in Mistels. Mistels, I'm not sure how you could say it. Okay, I need some cobwebs as well. How do I just burn? Fire. You will burn if I... No, wait, let me have my fire. Fire. See? You can't get it. I'm gonna say, yes. Fire. Fire! Look at me! Fire. Oh, I don't... Okay, now I'm gonna get some cobwebs. Therefore I can burn my victims while they can't even see it. Okay, so we're gonna go back to Mistels. Cobwebs. What else is... What is in, special? Special. Skeleton turret. I'll buy the... When I get over there, I'm gonna buy the skeleton turret. Oh, the blue guy made me a bridge. Yay. Now I'm gonna end him. No, I'm the fire. I'm the fire. I'm the fire. I'm the fire and the fire. I'm gonna burn down everything. Bum 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 bum. No, fire, 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 fire. Don't. Burn, burn, burn. Yes. Burn, 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 burn. Open up the bed to everyone. Hey. Does anybody else want to burn? Oh, speed bridger, yay. No! Why do I always fall down? I always fall down. I just always. Okay, I'm gonna put my hood on because I'm about to do a giant crime. I'm going to do something awful. Is this neon? Okay. Where do people spawn actually? I like spawned over here. Wait. I need to find out where the spawn is. Is this where the spawn is? Sorry, you're not allowed to do that. Ouch. So I'm gonna die, and then I'm gonna try to find out where the spawn is. But first I need some endstone. Obviously showed me where the spawn was. Because if you didn't know, I can do something awful with the spawn. Well, you probably didn't know that, so. So isn't this like where you respawn? Because if it is, I'm gonna boom, bam, boom, bam. No. Hey, this is innocent. This is an innocent little thing. Oh, sorry. We're about to see if this is it. If this is where you spawn. This is where you spawn. You got wool here. Don't do that. Yes. Easy. Easy. Oh. Now I'm going to put some more in there. And they will suffer. Let's buy some more redstone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yeah, there. I've gotten so many victims so far. Not so many, just like 2. Or I think just 1. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. There's something amazing I can do. If I build up all the way up here, will that mean they spawn up here? I don't know, but I'm crazy nuts. So, let's try it. Let's see. You die first. Okay, so that's still happening. Hopefully that's how it works. Oh, I'm gonna get some more iron. Okay, so let me just get this. And now, to the Miss House. Flint and steel. What else? Special. Bam. Okay, so I'm gonna leave my team's enemy. Oh, hey. Burn everything to the ground! Burn everything! Wah, ha, ha. Oh, they think that the other people are doing it, but it's actually me. Wait, what was that? Was Bertus Chris Whistle fighting Terry Shelf 5816? Yeah, it works! Oh my god, I'm a genius. Ah! Oh, wait a minute, how did I just die? Oh, slain. Okay. 3, 8, 2, 6, 7. Let's do that over there. Huh. Yes. Oh, hey, I did this. It was me. Wait, crouch. It was me. Look at me. This was me. I did this. I am evil, yes. Now, 3. Yes! Okay, you fall. Go. Fall. Okay, I'm gonna jump into some fire. Okay, so our enemies are over there. Ha! I'm burning like the ring of fire. Burn, burn, burn. The ring of fire. Am I standing in fire? No, I'm not. Well, I'm about to light some fire. Hello there. Wait, are you playing? There you go. Okay, so let me get some special that. And then, let's see where I get some cobwebs. Mistrals. Flint and steel. And then some cobwebs. Voila. Okay. Huh. Oh, I got a great idea. To be even more evil, I'm just gonna... Who did this? I have no idea. Was it a salty dog? Maybe. Salty dog is very salty. I'm thinking of things I should put at, like, for the title. No, Bed Wars 2. Definitely one of them. but isn't that like too weird? Like what you say about the thing? Extra salty again. So yeah, I guess you could say salty guy gets extra salty again. Salty again. Hey. Hello. Hello. I'm everyone's enemy. Hello. Hello, fight me, fight me, fight me. Fight. Ouch. Oh, how about that one? There. Take some of that. Oh, he had gold on him. I can buy some Mischiels. Oh, not Mischiels. What are they called? Give me the name. Oh. Enderpearls. No, not Enderpearls, but I could buy Enderpearls. Okay, so yeah, gold. Now, what should I buy with the gold? What? Oh. Thing's glitching. Oh, I can't move. Oh, yes, I can move. But when I move, I can't. Okay, give me, oh my goodness, my controllers. They're literally fighting against me. Mischiels. Help me. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, so I can... Look at this. Oh. I start to go. Watch. Well, move over here. Start running. I cannot stop this. Press forward. I can start it, but I can't stop it. I can only steer the direction. This way, this way, this way. Oh, I'm gonna run. I can do like the sprint. I can control sprinting. Ah! No! No, this direction. To do that here, okay. Hup. Hup. Ow. Now, this is what I'm gonna do last. I can't even use my controllers right. Ignite, ignite, ignite. No! Other way, not me. I go down, sprinting. Wildfire, oh my god, fire is coming down. Rain fire down upon this valley. Destroy their guardian. Okay, wait. Ha! 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 Mo ho ho ho. Yes. I've got even more evil from last time. Team alarm. I better light the team alarm. No! Watch this. I'm gonna put these right here. See these? See these? Oh. No. See these two controllers? I can only look. So when I do this, I can... Oh! It's spoiled by my own plan. See? Look. I'll press go on this one. I'm not touching it. I'm gonna face this one. try this. So, I have completed my task, but we still have one bed to go. No. No! Whoa, whoa, whoa. How many people have left the game? Orange members. Now I'm just gonna tell them all that I did it. I did it. Never mind, I did it, everybody. Look at me, I did it. Oh, I survived that one. Fire. I'm gonna die from my own creation. Fire. Okay, so make sure to like and subscribe. And I killed one person. I don't remember that. So make sure to like and subscribe. And this is the end of that video. This video. And I'm also very salty. Bye. First, I need to fix this. I really do. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.